I'm going to show you how to put on your DeBora Rachelle bed sheets. Watch me, it's very simple. Look for the long straps on either side, and these are the ones you're going to put by your headboard. I usually put my hand in here, and then I just simply slip it around my mattress. It makes it a little bit easier to make your bed. Then you come down and do the other corners just like you would a normal bed sheet, and you can just simply pull it a little bit tighter, and the elastic will grip the mattress. Grab your long strap at your corner of your headboard and kind of straighten it out as you go, and simply glide it underneath your mattress to the opposite corner. And then just simply find the loop and Velcro it in place. Then you go to the next strap on the opposite corner, straight as you go, and glide it. Find the loop and Velcro it in place. And it fits our mattresses size 9 through 18. If you have a queen mattress, it can also be made down to a full. Once you have it where you want the top sheet, just put the embroidery right up to the top of the bed. You know which way the top sheet goes because you see we have the DR logo face down. Then grab your Velcro and simply slide it under, loop it around the bottom loop. It's the same loop that was on the fitted sheet. Then I would tuck it in as I go on the bottom, reach in, grab the other one, and put that around the same loop. So there you have it. We just made a DeBora Rachelle bed sheet. It was actually easier to make than a regular bed sheet. And here's how you put on our pillowcase. First, turn your pillowcase inside out, grab the top, and just simply slide it over. There's a hidden pocket up at the top, so you can hide that side of your pillow. So it always will look great. And then just put them up at the top. So there you have it. Sleep bright and keep it tight with DeBora Rachelle bed sheets. A person will be moved by the craftsmanship of our design. Every stitch, every single detail in that sheet, I carefully and strategically found the fabric, found the fibers, found the weave, found everything that is essential to give you the best sleep that you can have with the quality that you deserve. And I know for a fact that I won't be sleeping in anything else but DeBora Rachelle sheets because I know what's in these sheets. DeBora Rachelle bed sheets are healthy luxury bed sheets that stay on your bed and they enhance your sleep. And I'll guarantee that.
Audio Jungle.